In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to apply to these amazing scholarships that are open to undergraduates, postgraduates, and PhD students. The application is free of charge. The perks to this scholarship includes tuition fees, monthly stipends, books and clothing allowance, medical costs, return air tickets, conference allowance, thesis preparation allowance, depending on your level of study. Please watch this video till the end to get the most important details of these scholarships. Let's jump right in. Hi, my name is Sylvia. Subscribe to the channel for more contents like this and turn on your notification bell. Also, don't forget to like and share this video with your family and friends. This scholarship is called the Islamic Development Bank Scholarship. And here you can already see that the application for the academic section 2023-2024 is already open. And to apply for this scholarship, you simply have to click on this link. Let us go through the most important details regarding this scholarship so that we can know what we are applying for. There are currently 4 programs offered by the Islamic Development Bank. So this scholarship is basically in 4 groups. The first program is Islamic Scholarship Program for Muslim communities in non-member countries. So this particular scholarship targeted at those that is about to study their undergraduate programs. The most important thing here is that you should not be more than 24 years of age, and you would also have to provide your language proficiency, and also you should not be a beneficiary of any other scholarship at the time of this application. The particular program covers these following items: the tuition fees, the monthly stipend that is commensurate with the cost of living, books, clothing allowance, cost of medical treatment. It says here the scholarship does not cover the following: visa costs, expenses to bring or support a scholar's family member. So yeah, it doesn't cover all of these costs. So please take note of this. If your country is on this list, so feel free to apply for this particular scholarship. The second scholarship is the Merit Scholarship Program for High Technology for ISDB member countries. This program is targeted at those that want to study higher studies. So if you want to do your master's, this is basically the program you'll be applying to. These here are the courses that is covered in this scholarship. So please do well to read through and see if you are interested in any of these courses. And for eligibility criteria for this particular scholarship, you shouldn't be more than 35 years of age for PhD study and more than 40 years of age for postdoctoral research. You should have above average academic achievement. You have nothing less than 2 years of experience. You have a record of publication or research in the same field. So please do well to go through this eligibility criteria. And when you scroll down, you can see the benefits of this particular scholarship. It covers the following: tuition fees, monthly stipend, medical insurance, thesis and scientific paper preparation, conference allowance, a return air ticket, and installation allowance. And here, take note, it doesn't cover these costs here: visa application costs, expenses to bring your family members, and the rest. Here are the list of member countries that are eligible to apply for this particular scholarship. So if your country is listed here, please feel free go through it properly. And once you are here, that means you can apply for this particular scholarship: Afghanistan, Mali, Azerbaijan, Algeria, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Benin, Burkina Faso, Pakistan, Cameroon. A whole lot of countries are here. The third scholarship is Master of Science Scholarship Program for ISDB least developed member countries. So this is targeted at those that want to do masters. So here you can look through this and read all what is required. But importantly, the eligibility requirements, it says it should be a citizen of any of these countries that we're going to see in a bit, and it should not be over 30 years of age at the closing date of this application. You should have already a BSc or equivalent degree in science and technology, be above average in your academic qualification. The benefit for this particular scholarship, it covers the tuition fee, the monthly stipends, cost of medical treatment, thesis preparation allowance, the return tickets. And here it also says it doesn't cover this cost: visa application, expenses for family members, and the rest. So here are the 20 eligible countries that can apply for this particular scholarship. So if your country is here, Afghanistan, Benin, Burkina Faso, Guinea, Mali, Mozambique, Sierra Leone, Togo, and the rest, check if you're eligible here. Fourth program is called the ISDB ISFP Scholarship Program for ISDB Least Developed Member Countries. So these are the fields of study that this particular program covers. So if you're interested in any of these fields, so that means you should be applying to this particular scholarship. And the eligibility criteria says that the prospective candidate must have a maximum age of 24 years at the closing date of this application and should be in need of financial assistance, without which the study may have to stop. You should be medically fit. You should provide a language proficiency certificate. You should not be living in a country other than your home country. So please read through this. These are the benefits for this particular scholarship. It covers also the tuition fee, the monthly stipend, books, clothing allowance, cost of the medical treatments. And this scholarship does not cover visa application costs, expenses to bring family members, extracurriculum, and the rest. And these are the list of eligible least developed member countries that can apply to this: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, Mali, Niger, Senegal. If you're on this list, that means you are eligible for this particular one. Please note, it says that the Islamic Bank does not charge any fees at any stage of this application. So beware of scammers. And once you're ready for this application, all you have to do is to click on this link and it lands you to this page. So this is the interface where you are going to be making the application. And for any reason you need to contact them, you can write to this email address to contact them for any inquiries or assistance. If you have never logged in here, you simply register here. I'm going to click on register here. So it brings me to this interface where you're going to fill in your contact information. So once you fill in your contact information like so, you click on submit. And here you see this message: thank you for registering, so check your email. Right now in my inbox, I can already see that they have already assigned a username for me, and then this is my initial password. This is what I'm going to use to sign in right now. And here you're going to click on login here. So right now you log in with the email address and the password that they already assigned to me, and I hit login. So they're going to send a code to my email, and then I will use it to verify this. So this is my verification code. I'm going to copy it like so. And here I'm going to paste this code here and submit. And here I would create a new password. Once you've created your password like so, you click on save. And here you can already see it welcomes me, welcome Sylvia. So now it says here I can apply for scholarship, and here then I will fill my applications. So I'm going to click on apply for scholarships. And now it loads me to this page where it says apply for scholarships, and it says note that you can only apply for either bachelor's or technical diploma, so you cannot apply for both. And these are the list of scholarships that are here. So now you're going to select the one that is interesting for you or what you want to apply for. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to select the first one, and this is the scholarship program for Muslim communities in non-member countries. So this is the scholarship I'm applying to. And before proceeding with your application, please make sure you have the following. So it's advised that you have already your certified true copy of birth certificate, copy of national identity, copy of secondary school certificates, transcript of reports, copy of certificate of admission to a college or university if available, certificate of good health from a certified doctor. So please do well to read this page very carefully to understand what is required of you. And once you are okay with it, you simply click on apply now. And here it says alert, your profile is not complete. You have to update your profile before starting an application. So I have to first of all go and update my profile before I'm able to continue with this. And automatically it brings me back to my profile page. So here I'm going to put in everything that is in asterisks and save. So after updating everything, I will click on the home page, and then it brings you back to this page again, and you click on apply for scholarships. Again, I select the first program. Now I will click on apply now. It brings me to this eligibility checklist. So now you have to make sure that you answer these questions as honest as possible, so that they can be able to ascertain if you can apply for this scholarship. You can hit on submit or save it as draft. I'm going to save it as draft. You can click on the home page, you view your application. So here you can see that this is the first application I'm making, and this is the type of application, the contact, the modified date. And And when I want to go back, I will click on open. But what is important that I need to say in this video is that first, you should be sure that the course you're applying to, that your country is eligible, else the system will throw you out. And secondly, be sure that all your information that you're imputing is correct, especially your country of origin. Once you put a wrong country of origin, you cannot edit this anymore. So be sure to select correctly what you want to apply for. And that was why I'm not able to proceed with the undergraduate program, because I found out that Nigeria is not eligible for that. Nigeria is eligible for this particular program, so that was why I changed my search and selected this particular program. So please read through the requirements, all the documents that you need, so that that's where you are in this particular phase, you would find it very easy. And basically, you click on open and continue your application. Then it will be asking you for your documents, and you upload all the required documents as certified copies. I do not want this video to be too long, so I think it's going to be peculiar for each person. I just wanted to show us how to navigate to this page. So this is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns, and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.